Hi everyone. Rug pulls are one of the biggest risks in meme coins. But wait, but what if you could spot warning signs before things go wrong? In this video, I will show you how to use GMGN AI to identify risk tokens early, even if you are a beginner. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined GMGN AI, you can use our referral code, which is IgGGTrth, which is also being displayed on the screen, or you can also check for a referral link, which is available into the description of the video, so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever using our referral code. Okay, so what is a rug pull? A rug pull happens when a token's creator or major holder suddenly remove liquidity or sell heavily, causing the price to crash. Okay, so let me open any of them in the coin here. Let's we open this one. Okay, so that's why learning to spot early warning signs is very important. There's an important truth. Let's be clear: no tool can predict rug pulls with 100% accuracy, but tools like GMGN AI can help you identify red flags early. Okay, so let's check for any other coin here. Mm, I suppose we want to go with this one. Let's see. Let me check here again. So yes, so every time to check the rug pulls, you must check the AI score first. Start by looking at the AI score. How you can check the AI score, I have explained in the previous video, but let me give you an idea. You can check for signal here, and you will get to know the AI score. This is the AI score. Okay, so if a token has a very low or unstable score, it could indicate weak or inconsistent activity. But don't rely on this alone. Okay, so here's a step to analyze the liquidity. Liquidity is one of the most important factors here. Okay, you can check for the liquidity on this section on the dashboard of any coin. You can check for the liquidities pool here. Okay, in this section you can check for the liquidity pool, and liquidity is one of the most important factor. Okay, and low or unstable liquidity can mean higher risk. Healthy tokens usually have steady and growing liquidity. Okay, so here are steps to check the distribution holders. You can check for the holders here. Okay, so these are the holders. Look at how tokens are distributed. If a few wallets hold a large percentage, that's a risk because they can sell at any time and crash the price. Okay, so these are the holders and these are their wallet addresses, and you can check for their funding and remaining amount here. Each and everything is available here. Okay, so here step 4, track wallet behavior. You can copy their wallet address and you can track their behavior. Watch for sudden large sells, irregular trading pattern, and wallets quickly exiting positions. Okay, and make sure to watch the trading activity as well on the charts. Okay, so use this AI tool as a scanner but not as a decision maker. It highlights risk, but you must still analyze the token by yourself. Okay, no tool can fully protect you, but understanding the data can make a huge difference. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.